Hi YouTube, we're going to do Nick Cave and the Bad Seeds. I'll do a little demo, and then I'll show you how to play it. It's in C minor. Well, I've been bound and gagged, I've been terrorized, I've been castrated, and I've been lobotomized, but never has my tormentor come in such a cunning disguise. Let love in, let love in. Oh Lord, tell me, what have I done? Please don't leave me here. Where are my friends? My friends are gone. Okay, so there is the verse, the chorus, and that little bridge section. So the verse is C minor, and it goes up to E flat, back to C minor, then it goes down to B flat, goes back to C minor. Then goes up again to B, E flat, and then for it's actually a refrain of I Let Love In. Was the E flat. I let love in. I let love in. E flat. C minor. And then that bridge is F at the 8th fret. I played it. This is G at the 10th fret. This is A flat at A flat minor at the 11th fret. We got B flat at the 13th fret. And then just playing a C5 up here. Just the 15 on the A and 17 on the D. And then I just went to C minor, did a little hit on the. Alright, so that's pretty much the main chords in the song. There's a lead guitar played at the beginning, and it's mostly in the C minor pentatonic. So they're just playing the lower strings, and they use a little extension that is on the 6th fret, on the low E, and 6th fret on the low A. So they start on 8. Then they play this note here on the 5th fret, which is not in that pentatonic, but it's featured in the melody. Now I'm playing that lower extension bass. Okay, so that should give you enough to get practicing, and you should be able to figure it out. All right, so I would say more of an intermediate song because you have to use bar chords to play along with it. All right, so thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Helps me with YouTube. Bye.